Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nana just here once again. So today I'd like to come on here so you guys some looks and find out what your opinion is about me. So I know that we are all young feminine women on my channel. I have mostly female subscribers, and some of you sometimes ask me what kind of stuff I do to my skin and stuff like that. So I decided to come on here and give you guys a full breakdown of my body care routine. I'm talking about how I shave, what I do to my skin, the stuff I use on my skin, everything you need in one place. We love a good bargain, don't we? So first things first, I'm going to show you guys how I shave my skin. Yes, I do shave. I do hair removal on my skin because I realized that I just like how smooth it makes my skin feel like, oh, baby salt. And I use a particular powder. So I will insert clips of how I do it. Okay, so this is the shaving powder that I like to use. You first need your shaving powder, a mixing bowl, and a spoon or brush. I like to use a spoon because it's much easier. For my full body, I like to scoop a couple of tablespoons into the mixing bowl. I usually need about 3 spoonfuls. And yes, my fan was on when I was doing this. So you see the powder flying in all directions. So please be careful about that. It does get messy, so I would advise that you do this in the shower, okay, where you can easily, wash it off and everything. Then I add a few tablespoons of water to it and I keep mixing it until I have a consistent paste. You don't have to pour your water all in at once. You just have to gradually add it until you get the consistency that you want. I want a very creamy consistency where it's not too runny and it's not too thick either. So I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look like after I'm done. Then we're going to get to this point. You see how thick it is? Yes, it's not too runny. I'm going to demonstrate how I use it under my arms and on my actual arms. I use a spoon to scoop it up and the back of the spoon to, spread it evenly across the area that I want to do the hair removal on. Then I'm going to hop in the shower and then do the rest of my body and then come back and show you guys the results. Please be gentle when you are doing this. You don't have to scrape it on, or else your skin will get irritated. Shaving, I go ahead and I take a shower. Okay, so I use African black soap, what we call here as Alatisana. Yes, so I have some. I dilute it with water so that it can be watery enough for me because I don't like it when it's chunky and blocky. Anyway, so I use that on my skin, and after I'm done, I also add some turmeric to it because I'm trying to fade out some stretch marks and scars on my skin, and it also helps to give this whole youthful glow, which I like. So we're done showering. Now to the next. To do a body scrub. Okay, now with my body scrub, I have 2 types. Okay, I have a DIY version that I do myself, which I did say I was going to be recording a video, and yes, that video is coming, so stay tuned. It's going to be up very, very, very soon. And this is the DIY scrub I was talking about. And if I don't have any of my DIY stuff, I will usually either buy a store-bought version or I use my DIY stuff. So the store-bought version of choice is this one from St. Ives. I actually just had it on hand, so I decided to use it. DIY version, I have a preference for that one because I am sure what I'm putting inside the scrub, and depending on the benefits I want to see, I can moderate the ingredients. That's what I do with that. The shower, I apply my body cream, my favorite body cream, which is the Nivea Q10 plus vitamin C. I have been using this consistently for some time now. It does not lighten your skin. I only bought it for the recommendation of my stretch marks, and so far so good. I use it on my skin. I like the fact that it's non-greasy because I sweat a lot, so I don't need a cream that is very greasy, having me sweating and panting all over the place. Then I fill up with my DIY body oil. So this is the body oil that I use. It's very lightweight, non-greasy, and I can share the recipe with you guys if you want. Let me know. This body oil, I've been using it for the longest time. Whether I get darker or lighter, I've always used it, and I use it just to lock in the moisture. And yeah, works for me so far. So of course I'm going to proceed to do my hair, do my makeup, and get in dressed, and I'm ready to go. But before I do that, I make sure that I brush my teeth.
Yes, good old Pepsodent.
So some of you have complimented me on how white my teeth are. Thank you. To be honest with you guys, I won't say this is naturally how my teeth are because I've not had them professionally whitened before, and up until recently I have not been actively trying to whiten my teeth. So I have been trying out this new product from Colgate.
It is the Colgate Max White mouthwash.
And to be honest with you, I don't really have anything to report on because my teeth still look the same. So, but hey, it helps my pearly white stay pearly white, so I'm okay with that. An alternative is also use a homemade version, which is to just add some lemon juice or some baking soda, and then that's what my mother used to do for me anyway when I was younger, and it works just as well, so I'm cool with that. Okay.
So this is basically it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Let me know what you're going to be trying. Be sure to subscribe.